Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be showing you how to create and send a voice message with messages in iPhone. So let us get started. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. If you already have an ongoing conversation with your recipient, select it to open the chat. If not, tap the new message icon on the top right and enter the recipient's name into the field. To record a voice message, locate the audio icon on the right side of the text message field at the bottom of the screen. Tap and hold the icon while speaking your message. You can express yourself freely without limitations. Once you have finished recording, simply release your finger to stop. Once your recipient receives the voice message, they can tap the play button to listen to it. Voice messages add a personal touch to your communication, allowing you to convey emotions and tone more effectively. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.